Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from MND Forex Traders. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm here with a trade forecast on USO, a 1 to 32 risk reward ratio, risking 6 pips and put the potential to make around 200 pips right here. So watch the rest of the video as I break down this particular forecast as I do my top-down analysis. Follow along, stick around until the rest of the video so that you can learn one or two things on how I identify these market setups right here. So let's get started right now. So right now we are on the 30 minutes time frame. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the daily time frame. All right. So we zoom out right here. You can see that we've been progressively going to the upside for quite a long time, right? And you can actually see that from here we've just been seeing the market push into the upside, which is very, very important. And now we understand that the overall direction of the market is bullish. So we go to the 4-hour time frame. What can we appreciate from this? So we have two zones right here. We have this area here and this level right here. Therefore, you and I don't know which zones between these two between these two zones, which one is going to hold. We have no idea which zone is going to hold because both can potentially hold. So what do? We look to trade from the first zone. If the first zone doesn't hold, then we go to the second zone, right? So that's how we do it. So you go to the 2-hour time frame, right? So from here, we can make assumptions from here. So what can we see? We have this big candle right here, but this is just not an ordinary candle. It's actually left a POI on the lower time frame. Again, we go to the 30 minutes time frame. We are here on a 30 minutes time frame right here. So what can we see from here? We can see a nice drop, base, and rally to the upside. And this market behavior caused a break of structure of a lot of highs right here. That is extremely important. And then what can we see? We see that the market left behind inefficiency candle. Whenever we see these big candles like this, it means that there's unfulfilled orders left behind. Therefore, we expect the market to come back to that particular area, and that's an opportunity for us to actually get involved in the market. So we can see that with the market left behind equal highs right here, which is acting as liquidity, and you can see that the market kind of respected this level right here and pushed to the upside. So what we are anticipating as the market opens is that the market could come into this area so that we can potentially look for buys from there. Why specifically this area? Let me show you what is happening on the lower time frame. So you have to go to the lower time frame and find the order block, and that's why you're going to wait for the market to come to. If the market doesn't come there, then you don't take the trade. So on the 5 minutes time frame, you can't really see anything. All you're seeing is wicks, and you can't appreciate anything from there. And then what do? We go to the 3 minutes time frame. So okay, let's see if we can appreciate something on the 3 minutes time frame. So it's always important for you to do your top-down analysis thoroughly. It's very, very, very important. You can see that even on the 3 minutes time frame, you can't really appreciate anything. So what do? We go all the way to the 1 minute time frame, and then you see what I'm talking about from there. So you zoom out and until you get to your 1 minute time frame, and then check on your POI. Zoom in right here, and then let's see. So from here, we can actually see that the market left behind an order block. So we can simply just do this, right? You can just pick the high and the low of this particular candle as your order block, all right? Because this was the last bearish candle before this big bullish move that actually went on and caused a lot of break of structure right here. So that is your order block. But for me, I like to cover this last candle right, this week right here. So what I'll do is that I'm just going to get this low and this high right there. Okay, I like to do it like that, and then I'll just go back to my 30 minutes time frame, and then that's where we're able to see this setup like this right here. So that's how I do it. So I've gone from my daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and now we are on a 30 minutes time frame, and you can understand exactly how I've moved from up there to where we are right now. And it's really, really important for you to be able to get this right. So as you can see, the market is looking really, really pretty. We're seeing the market which is pushing to the upside. And what one thing you have to understand is that uh commodities like crude oil, these are most of the times the market keeps on going to the upside. So no wonder I'm usually very confident when looking for buys in this particular area, because I know that the overall trend of the market is actually bullish. So it's always important to go in the direction of the market. Of course, you can counter trade if you have an opportunity, right? You can do that, but most of the times, what I like to do is that I like to actually move with the market direction. That's how it is right now. You can see that right now this is looking really, really nice. Let's see how this is going to behave as the market opens. Remember, this is just my personal opinion. It's for educational purposes only. I'm not expecting you to do anything, right? So for me, what I do is that I will just set an alert from here and then just wait for the market to come into my area. I'll just wait for the market to come into my zone. If the market comes into my zone and gives me an entry signal, I'll be able to execute. I don't set pending orders. So once I do this, I just wait for the market to come into this area. Of course, I'm waiting for the market to take out this liquidity right here, and then also to potentially take out the Asian section, which is going to be created right here. And if the market comes to my area during the time that I'm supposed to enter, then I'll be able to execute. If it doesn't happen, well and good. I have other setups that I've shared in our private community that I'm able to look for and everything else. All right. So my purpose here is just share my knowledge and share my perspective on this particular market and what I think is going to happen. Of course, it doesn't mean that what I'm saying is exactly going to happen like that. So I hope you found some value in this video. I hope you gotten something from here. If you would like to actually subscribe, you can subscribe. If you're finding value in these videos, comment in the comment section, let me know, and all that. And if you'd like to get our mentorship, the first link in the description will take you to our M&F mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals and everything. All right, you guys, see you around, and I wish you all the very best as we step into the new trading week. All right, see ya.